We'll guide you through how to explore ChatGPT Plus features and make the most of your subscription. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and head over to the ChatGPT website. Log in with your account credentials, and once you're in, you'll notice the interface looks a bit different if you're a Plus subscriber. One of the standout features of ChatGPT Plus is the priority access to new features and improvements. This means you'll often get to try out the latest updates before they roll out to free users. You'll also enjoy faster response times, which is perfect if you rely on ChatGPT for work or study and need quick answers. Explore the settings menu by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Here, you can manage your subscription and explore any exclusive add-ons available to Plus users. Another great feature is the enhanced session length. Plus users can engage in longer conversations without interruptions, which is really handy for in-depth discussions or brainstorming sessions. If you frequently use ChatGPT for creative writing or project ideation, you'll appreciate the ability to have these extended dialogues. Plus, you can access premium support, meaning if you ever run into issues, you can expect quicker and more personalized assistance. Remember to also check out any special integrations or plugins that may be available to Plus subscribers. These can further enhance your experience by connecting ChatGPT with other tools you use regularly. By familiarizing yourself with these features, you can truly optimize your use of ChatGPT Plus. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.